At Comdata, we're shaping the future of technical assistance. We see it as a perfect opportunity to build trust and loyalty. Through quick resolution of your customers' technical problems, we look to maximize their satisfaction and turn them into advocates for your brand. We support your customers 24/7 along the entire product life cycle, from installation to troubleshooting and maintenance. We minimize customer effort and speed up resolution times through innovative technologies for self-service assistance and remote support. We also serve our corporate clients through internal software and hardware support and network assistance, such as alarm monitoring and crisis management. How do we do it? We leverage engineering skills and the latest technical support technologies, from remote video assistance to process automation and AI. We invest in our greatest asset, our people. We define with you the best delivery model, onshore, nearshore, and offshore, based on your own business model. And we provide you with a stellar operational model to guarantee quality, performance, and competitiveness with high-level security standards. At Comdata, we use resolution of technical issues as an opportunity to maximize satisfaction.